Hello, Miffy. What's that you've got there?
It's a recorder.
I didn't know you played the recorder.
I don't. Well, I didn't. Mummy found it in the attic, and I'm going to play a song with my friends.
Oh, lovely. What will you play?
We're learning a song for Teacher's birthday. We're all bringing our instruments, so we can play it for her in class tomorrow.
I'm not sure I know that tune, Miffy.
Me neither. Recorders sound funny.
I'm sure it will sound great by tomorrow.
I better go. Hello, everyone. Hi, Miffy. Hi. Look, I've brought a recorder. Great! I've got my ukulele. I've got my violin. And I've got a tuba. Wow, you all play really well. My recorder doesn't sound nearly as good as that. Maybe I shouldn't play. Go on, Miffy. We'd love to hear you. Yes, go on. Please play, Miffy. Okay. It doesn't sound right, does it? Not really. Not quite. Oh, I want to play a proper tune like you. Maybe you'd be better on a different instrument. Of course. Good idea, Dan. Here, try my ukulele. You better have this back. Here, try this. You play the violin by rubbing the bow against the strings. Okay. No. Try my tuba. Don't forget to take an extra deep breath. It didn't sound like that when you played. It did when I started. The first time I played it went... It takes time to be good at playing an instrument. It took me ages to get from... to... But Teacher's birthday is tomorrow. I don't want to play if I sound like this. Bye. Oh dear. Bye, Miffy.
How's the song coming along, Miffy?
I'm not ready to play it yet. I have to wait.
Wait for what?
Until I'm good at playing the recorder. Melanie said it takes time to become good.
I think there's a bit more to it than just waiting.
Ooh. Hello, Miffy. How was the rehearsal?
I wasn't very good at playing the recorder because I've only just started.
Yes, it takes time to become good.
That's what Melanie said. But how long will it take?
Well, it depends how often you play.
Mummy! How long did you have to wait to play like that?
I didn't wait, I practiced. The more I played, the better I got.
Oh, I get it. So if I keep practicing, I'll get better too.
I'm sure you will. Practice makes perfect.
It doesn't sound perfect.
Don't give up. Try to blow more slowly. That's it. Keep going.
Mummy! It is sounding better.
Well done, Miffy. Keep going. You're doing really well. You'll be fine for tomorrow if you keep practicing.
It's your birthday, so we all say, Happy birthday, hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! We did it!
Wonderful. Thank you so much. And you all played it so well. Can I hear it again?
Of course! The more we play, the better we'll get. Melanie, I'm sure Grunty will be here soon. I wish she'd hurry up. She's taking ages. The two of us can play something while we wait. I know. Let's play Who Can Hop the Longest. Hop, hop, boing, boing, boing. Oh. Boing, boing, boing. Oh, Grunty. Boing. What are you doing? Copying you. Copying is fun. Boing, boing, boing. Boing. Hey, boing, that gives me an idea for a game. Follow the leader. One of us is the leader and the others copy what they do. Brilliant. I'll be leader first. Come on, copy me. Flap, flap. Hey. Come on, Grunty. Come in. Flap, flap. Flap, flap. Now, jump in the air. Like this. Now, run around the outside of the house as fast as you can. Wait! Hang on, Melanie. Come back. Hey, I didn't say stop. But you're going too fast. Maybe someone else should be leader for a bit. Grunty, why don't you be the leader? Then you can choose how fast we go. Oh, okay. No, stop. No, stop. Stop doing everything I do. Stop doing everything I do. Huh? Grunty, I smell something delicious.
Ah, there.
Ooh, cherry tart. Yummy. Grunty, it's meant to be follow the leader, not follow your nose.
Sorry, Grunty. You'll have to wait if you want a piece. It's far too hot to eat yet.
Now I know what my next action is. Sit and wait. Grunty, we can't follow you if you don't do anything. So what should I do? The leader has to do fun things that everyone else finds fun too. Why don't you take the lead, Miffy? You can show us how it's done. Great idea, Grunty. Okay. Come on, everyone. Follow me. Let's go. Follow Miffy. Follow the leader is such fun. Spin like me now, everyone. When I stretch, you do the same. This is a really funny game. Follow Miffy, come and play. Do what Miffy does today. Miffy's here to lead us all on fun adventures, big and small. Follow me now on your bike. Going fast is what I like. I like going downhill fast. Snuffy, look, we're whizzing past. Follow Snuffy, come and play. Do what Snuffy does today. Snuffy's here to lead us all on fun adventures, big and small.
Oh, hello, girls. Here you go.
Grab a brush and make a start on your latest work of art.
Miffy, Melanie, very nice. Grunty,
Maybe just one slice? Grunty! Follow Miffy, come and play. Do what Miffy does today. Miffy's here to lead us all on fun adventures, big and small. Hey, Miffy, can I join the line? Yes, of course, but keep in time. Climbing high and sliding down, spinning round and round and round. Around and round and round and round, and back down on the ground. Whoa! Follow Miffy, come and play. Do what Miffy does today. Miffy's here to lead us all on fun adventures, big and small. Follow me on ice and skates.
Spin around. Your dancing's great.
Here I come, and here I go. Oh!
Watch out, Boris! Take it slow! Follow Miffy, come and play. Do what Miffy does today. Miffy's here to lead us all on fun adventures, big and small. Follow Miffy, come and play. Do what Miffy does today. Miffy's here to lead us all on fun adventures, big and small. That tart still smells delicious. Is it cool enough to eat yet?
Oh, hello, girls. It certainly is. Who wants a slice?
Me, please. Me, please. Hey, I thought the game was over. I hope there's enough for everyone.
What do you mean?
Follow me home. Look.
Oh, that looks delicious.
Yeah, cherry pie. Yes, please.
I'll take the lead this time.
Oh, yes.
Very smart.
Hello.
Hello, Barbara.
Hello, Barbara.
Hi, Miffy. Are you ready to have lots of fun tonight, Miffy?
Yes. I love it when you babysit.
I think Miffy's looking forward to our night out even more than we are.
Come on, Barbara. Let's find a game to play.
Let's go.
We'll be off then, Barbara. Now, are you okay to give Miffy her dinner and get her ready for bed?
Of course.
Bye, Miffy. Have fun.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Mummy. Bye, Daddy.
The house is ours. Let's dance. Woohoo! Oh, yeah.
Make it up as you go along. Dance your dance and sing your song. Play your own games, it's all about fun. With Barbara, Bear and Miffy Fun. Don't stop, Barbara. My feet still feel like dancing. Ooh.
Well, I think your tummy feels like dinner. So let's make some food. What would you like to eat, Miffy? I can cook pasta or potatoes or
Pancakes. I'd like pancakes.
pancakes. Are you sure?
Yes, let's make pancakes. It's fun.
But I've never made pancakes before.
Don't worry. I've seen Mummy make them lots of times. I can tell you exactly what to do. First, we need the ingredients. Milk. Flour. Eggs.
Wow, that was fast, Miffy. I could do with a speedy helper like you in my shop.
Flour. 1, 2, milk. Right. All the ingredients are in. Now for the mixing.
Right then.
I know. That's it, Barbara.
This is fun. Whoops! The mixture's ready. What do we do next?
Next, we cook it in the pan.
Okay, but I don't think we should dance while we do that, Miffy.
No. Oh, I can't wait. This is the best bit. You get to flip it up in the air to cook the other side.
Oh, I never flipped a pancake before. All right, here goes. Huh? Oh dear! It's stuck! Come out, Pancake!
I know. Jiggle it. Like it's dancing. Try flipping it a bit harder.
Oops! Oh, let's try again.
Maybe a bit less hard than that, Barbara.
Ready?
Barbara, you're meant to catch it again.
Oh, yes! Yes! Caught it!
Wow, Barbara! You've really got the hang of it now.
This one's for you. Oh, we've used all the mixture up.
Never mind. You can share my pancake.
Thanks, Miffy.
Yummy.
Mm.
Delicious.
Not bad for my first go. And you were right. It was fun making them.
And it was even funnier flipping them. That was yummy.
What a lot of mess. I think we should start tidying before your mummy and daddy get home.
Oh, but I want to have more fun with you, Barbara.
Do you know what, Miffy? I think I know a way that we can tidy up and have fun.
Really? How? Hooray!
Looking good.
Over here. Thank you.
Woohoo!
There. Finished. Yay!
Miffy,
Ooh.
we're home.
Perfect timing.
My pyjamas. I'm not ready for bed.
Don't forget to brush your teeth.
Hello, Barbara.
Hi there.
Where's Miffy?
I'm coming.
Oh, wow, you look all ready for bed.
Look, Mummy, I brushed my teeth and we cleaned the whole kitchen too.
Oh, very good.
Oh, I think you missed a bit.
Sorry, Daddy.